Hey babes, welcome back to Falling in Love with Fall. In today's video, we are decorating this entryway. We're gonna do a little bit of cleaning and then we'll proceed to doing the decor. It's a must. We must clean before we get to decorating. So this is our last year in this home. This is our last fall season and will be our last Christmas here. So I want to do a couple of just minimal as possible decor. I know that's hard for me, but I'm gonna do my best because we have a lot of packing to do and we have a lot of touching up to do around in this home. So with all of that being said, if this is something that you guys would like to see, come along, let's go. Things first, we're gonna start by getting this area clean. It's nothing like having a clean space before we begin the decorating process, which is the fun part. So I'm excited. The fall season is like one of my favorite seasons to decorate. It's like one of my favorite seasons to get cozy because all the colors start coming out, all the mood season colors. And then you also have the pumpkins, the crunchy leaves, the hot chocolate, or the pumpkin spice, whatever girly you are. And I don't know, it's just something about it. And then just putting yourself in the mood to decorate. So I'm just gonna dust this entryway table off, the lamp, the mirror. Then I'm gonna go in and wipe everything down. And then we're going to begin the fun process, which is decorating. So let's do it. Placing my baskets back up underneath my table, but before I do that, I'm just going to add this boucle pillow into this basket, creating some type of coziness and using different textures. In the other basket, I will be using my wool throw blanket. It has all the colors that I will be using in my home this year for the fall season. And I just wanted to have something different. So when you came inside of the home, you can already get that sense of coziness right when you open that front door. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing business to test me? Next, I found this Hollywood book that we've had for a while, and I'm just going to place it right up under this table. With that, I found this star pod, I believe it is. It's in an aspen gold. I got it from Amazon, so this is a new item this year, and I absolutely love it. I wish it could have been the bleach one or the natural one, but this one is fine. Next, I'm just going to put my mirror back onto the table. Get through to you. Down, baby. This is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Next, I'm adding the books. Now, I love decorating with my books. I'm just going to place them right here. Then I'm going to bring in this vase that I bought from Pottery Barn a couple of years ago and those floral stems. I also added some Pottery Barn stems. They're berries, and that just gave it that wow factor that I was looking for. Now, the floral stems can do the wowing all by itself, but it just made it look so elegant and beautiful sitting here. Now I'm just going to add one more stem into this, and then I'm going to fluff everything out to just make it look really nice. If I love waves, you're not letting me, get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. gold metal orb taper candle holders. Now, I thought they were so cute and looked so antique. I bought them from World Market, so these are new items, including these candles. I could not pass them up at all. If I can, I will link everything down below. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. One of my favorite candles from Target is this vanilla fig. I'm just going to put it right here in front of those orb candles so it can give it that smell that I love during the season. It's not pumpkin spice, but try it. Try the vanilla fig. It smells so good. Next, I'm adding this tortoise bowl that I bought from At Home. Then I will be adding in some of that fall foliage. Also, I bought some dried lotus and I'm just going to place it right here in this bowl. And I think it brings everything together. Down from my entryway table, I'm just going to go ahead and dust in this area, and then I'm just going to clean those picture frames down and vacuum clean that bench. As I was brainstorming ideas for my entryway decor, I knew I wanted to incorporate some seasonal colors and textures. I opted for a mix of riches like browns, of course, blacks. I wanted even some plums and burgundies that was mixed into all of my decor. Now, I was trying my best when it came to using burgundies and plums because they are so rich in color. And I don't know. I don't know if I nailed it or not, especially in the living room, but I wanted to add that same in here. But instead of me adding in pillows that were a palm color or even a burgundy, I decided to just add those into my fall foliage. As the season progresses, I want to start adding in some natural elements like pumpkins and acorns and pine cones. Oh, I cannot wait. But for now, I'm going to throw in this cozy throw blanket. Of course, an entryway is not complete without a throw blanket. And then I'm going to add in some more of that velvet. My children love the feel of it. So I'm going to try to incorporate that in everything I do when it comes to my decor. So right now, what I want to do is, I was undecisive. Did I want to use these two colors here? But it did come out looking nice. So that's fine. But now I'm like, do I want to leave that little vessel that I did have sitting there? Do I want to put that back? And I don't know if I want to add some more color to it or not. But I did move the olive tree on this side. I don't know. Let's give it a try and see how it looks though. I don't know. I wish I could back the camera up a little bit. Hold on. absolutely love everything that I have did in this space. Now I'm going to add in this pillar candle holder that I bought from H&M. It went perfectly in this section, even though I tried to buy two and they were sold out. It is beautiful. So I'm just gonna light this candle, step back, and enjoy. It's time for me to get up out of here, but before I go, I want you guys to know, by choosing a few statement pieces and styling them in a way that reflects your personal taste, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that sets the tone for the rest of your home. Now, if you guys love this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.